how to reset your Instagram Explore page. The problem here is very simple. You open Instagram and then you go to the Explore tab, and sometimes you might not want to see certain kind of videos and you want to completely reset it. Well, there isn't a one button to actually completely reset it, but there are a couple of stuff you can do. For example, if you don't want to get suggested the skitty videos or photos, you can just click the three dots option and select not interested here. Once you select not interested, Instagram will take into account to not show this kind of content next time whenever you actually refresh it. So now you can see that we don't have any kitty photos and such. Next thing we can do is, if you have happened to like any post from the Instagram Explore page, you can choose to unlike them, or you can choose to mark it not interested. Go to your profile page, three lines option. From here you want to simply go to the your activity section, and here you can go to likes, comments and so on. And if you just happen to select interested or not interested to a certain video from, let's say, the Explore tab, you can simply choose to unlike them and mark as uninterested, and that will actually give you a fresh set of recommendations next time onwards. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.